Hi, good morning. Now we will discuss about search for genetic material. The search for genetic material, generally genes are considered as hypothetical particles. Hypothetical particles. According to chromosome theory, was proposed by Sutton and Boveri. Chromosomes carries genes. Chromosomes carries genes based on Mendelian principle. Mendelian principles like law of segregation, and independent assortment. Independent assortment. The search for genetic material. Genes are considered as hypothetical particles. Chromosome theory was proposed by Sutton and Boveri. According to this chromosomal theory, chromosomes carries genes. The genes are considered as factors by Mendelian. According to Mendelian, the laws of segregation and law of independent assortment, both of these carries some of the factors. These are present on chromosomes. Generally, the genes present on chromosome experimentally proved by T.H. Morgan. T.H. Morgan. Generally, the genes are present on chromosomes. Genes are present on chromosomes. Genes are present on chromosomes. But the genes, whether either protein or DNA, was not known. In these, the first one, the genes either protein or DNA that determined by some of these experiments, that is called as search for genetic material. The search for genetic material, the genetic material either protein or DNA, whether not known. So we now search for genetic material. Genetic material is confirmed either protein or DNA by the different type of the experiments. Now, in the first experiment, the search for genetic material, the experimentally proved by Griffith, these are transformation principle. Generally, the transformation principle means the bacteria changes its phenotypic. That means phenotypically changes its nature. That is called as a transforming principle. The transforming principle was first proposed by Griffith. In 1928. Griffith experiment conducted in Streptococcus pneumonia. It is one of the bacteria. It causes pneumonia. causes pneumonia is one of the diseases. Transforming principle first proposed by Griffith in 1928. The Griffith experiment conducted in Streptococcus pneumonia. It is one of the bacteria which causes pneumonia in most of these animals. In this, the Streptococcus pneumonia generally exists in two forms. One is a smooth type. Smooth type. The second one is the rough. First one is the smooth type, the second one is the rough type. What is the smooth? Second one, what is the rough? Generally, the smooth means the bacteria covers with peptidoglycan or mucus layer. Mucus layer. The mucus layer covers with bacteria. These are appears as a smooth. Whereas lack of mucus material or peptidoglycan, these are appears as rough surface. These are appears as rough surface, hence these are called as rough type. Rough type. So the different type of these smooth type 1, 2, 3 and different types. In the same rough type also, the first one 1, 2, 3. In some cases, a third type of these rough or third type of these smooth type. Generally, the Streptococcus pneumonia, it is one of the bacteria which causes pneumonia. Generally, the Streptococcus pneumonia exists in two types of the forms. One is the smooth and the second one is the rough type. In this, the smooth, the second one is the rough. Smooth type, the second one is the rough type. In this experiment, Griffith growth of Streptococcus pneumonia in the culture media. In the culture media, some of these bacteria colonize in smooth. Some of these bacteria colonize in rough. The smooth considered as S type. Rough considered as R type. Smooth or appears as shiny. Due to this, covers with polypeptide layer surrounding to its bacteria. In this, the first one, the smooth type, in this experiment, the smooth type of bacteria injected into one of the mice. The second type, R type, are injected into the another mice. What happened? So in this, the first smooth type, in the first experiment, smooth type bacteria injected into one of the mice. The rough type injected into the another mice. The smooth type of bacteria injected into one of the mice, whereas the rough type of bacteria injected into the another mice. Generally, the smooth type of bacteria injected into the mice, which causes pneumonia into the mice, thereby leads to death. The rough type of bacteria does not cause pneumonia. These mice becomes alive. The smooth type of bacteria injected into one of the mice, which causes pneumonia into the mice, thereby these mice will be dead. Whereas the rough type of bacteria injected into the another mice, the mice will be alive due to the reason is which does not cause pneumonia. Does not cause pneumonia. So in this first experiment, the smooth type of bacteria injected into the mice, which causes dysphagia pneumonia, which cause disease in pneumonia. Due to this, these mice will be dead. In the rough type of these bacteria injected into the another type of the mice, does not cause of pneumonia, due to this live. This is the first experiment of this Griffith. In the second experiment, the smooth type of bacteria heat killed. That means killed by this heat. These bacteria, heat killed bacteria injected into one of the mice will be live. Due to this heat killed of the bacteria completely heat killed. Therefore, does not cause of this pneumonia. That's why mice will be live. In the third experiment, the heat killed bacteria, same heat killed bacteria, the live type of the live, generally the rough type of the live bacteria, both of these mixed. Both of these mixed, injected into one of the mice, is completely dead due to pneumonia. In this process of heat killed and live rough bacteria, the heat killed of these containing DNA molecule, the rough type of bacteria directly uptaken, the DNA molecule uptaken by this rough type. Generally, the heat killing of this material is directly injected into the rough type. The rough type becomes to yes, smooth type. Rough type becomes to yes type, the smooth type of bacteria which causes pneumonia, due to this reason is dead. This is the third experiment. Once again, now explain transforming principle. The transforming principle was first experimentally proved to transformation principle by Griffith in 1928. The Griffith experimentally utilized one of the bacteria that is called as Streptococcus pneumonia, which cause pneumonia. Generally, the Streptococcus pneumonia utilized for its experiment to formation of new bacteria. In these three experiments, first, second and third. In the first experiment, the smooth type of bacteria is injected into the one of the mice, which causes pneumonia due to the death of the mice. Whereas the rough type of these bacteria utilized in this another mice does not development of these pneumonia characters. That's why the rough type of bacteria injected into the mice that can be live. This is the first experiment. In this, generally the smooth type causes pneumonia, rough type does not causes the pneumonia. Whereas the second type of the smooth type of bacteria is directly heat killed. The heat killed of these bacteria injected into the mice does not cause pneumonia. Due to this, mice will be live. In the third experiment, the heat killed of these bacteria, the live type of the bacteria, rough type, both of these mixed, injected into the one of the mice, it can be dead. Due to the reason is pneumonia developed. In this, what happened? Generally, the smooth type of the bacteria generally heat killed. The rough type of bacteria is live. The smooth type of bacteria containing some of these chemical constituents. These chemical constituents are transferred to the rough type of the bacteria. The rough type becomes to smooth type. Due to this uptake of these chemical substances. These chemical substances uptaken by these rough type of the live bacteria that modified in its phenotypic nature. Therefore, the rough type is converted into smooth type. Therefore, the smooth type which causes pneumonia, thereby death of these mice. In this 3 experiment. According to this transforming principle, Griffith concluded that transformation occurs from the one bacteria to another bacteria. The transforming some of these chemical. The chemical characterization of these chemical not known in this Griffith experiment. These chemical, what type of the chemical substances transferred from the smooth, that means heat kill to rough type by chemical characterization of this another experiment of by Avery, McLeod and Corty. The next experiment conducted on Avery, McLeod and Corty.
Can anybody out there hear me?